Mr. Speaker, I thank you for the communication. And Mr. Speaker, in keeping with the respect we have for the House, as soon as you summoned us, you can see we are here in very large numbers, Mr. Speaker. But Mr. Speaker, as I thank you, I would like you to clarify something which is very important. The experience I've gone through this morning, Mr. Speaker, is that I've been denied access to this House. And when I took refuge in the parking at the KICC, Mr. Speaker, on my way to these chambers, police dogs have barked at me. So, Mr. Speaker, I would like you to clarify whether it is by the order of the Speaker of the Senate that today, at a special sitting of the Senate, we have anti-riot police, we have police dogs. Mr. Speaker, all the roads leading to this Senate are barricaded. And Mr. Speaker, if it is not by your order, could you therefore confirm to this House that this Senate has lost its independence from the executive and that we have now been held captive by the executive, Mr. Speaker, sir?